Hey
I already
guys,
see
over
him.
here. And today I'm playing tag. I didn't record earlier, but you know, now I am. So this is pretty intense. I'll tell you that much. I didn't record it.
He's
previous
chasing
round,
you.
though. Oh no way! Oh my
Yeah,
God!
he's
No!
chasing
No! 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 Tell him to leave me alone! No!
The best on the field.
I didn't want to warn you, but I was all like,
Oh,
oh
you
god.
son of a bitch. Okay, well, yeah. So
Oh.
I intend to panic a lot when I'm forced into situation. No, is that you or is that him? Yeah. No.
I don't know.
Uh, wow, he's mocking me. Okay, there we go.
Oh,
No, no, no,
oh,
no. It's me.
Put your knife away. Put your knife away.
Dude, oh my God.
You just can't.
I'll put it away next. Oh my God. I'll make a new class next round. Cause I'm using my sniper one because I forgot to change it. Like, you know how we did the fist fight yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot to
Are you
put
it?
it.
Are you it? Wait, who's this? Who's this? Oh, what?
He's it.
Wait, my friend's it.
Yeah.
Oh, he was? Oh, I was all like, is he it?
You gotta pay attention, boy. Yeah, and I'll change my combat rig so we could tell the difference too. So. I'm just gonna hide for a little bit.
Yes, I got him. No one needs to go know about that, guys.
So yeah, this is Monkey's friend. He's a tryhard.
No, no, he's not.
Yes, he is. You know he's a tryhard. Are
Can we
you
use
alive?
battle specs?
No. Nice only.
Oh. Yeah?
Oh God. No! Leave me alone! No! Leave me alone! Yeah.
You know, that wasn't it, right?
Wait, what?
That wasn't it. My friend's it.
You liar. No, you're lying.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
You're
Attack him.
lying.
I knifed him. No, I'm not. I'm being serious. Oh, God, fuck.
Oh my God, so I used it up for nothing. Oh,
Yes.
I'm an idiot. Now
Oh, fuck. He used it too. I lost him.
Yeah. Oh, we're using the same thing. Oh, then I'm not sure. Then I'll just change my style of weapon. That's it. I should really don't.
I feel like someone's really nearby.
I was camping, but no, that's weak.
Ugh.
Ah, fucker. Oh wait. Oh, I thought you got killed. Never mind.
There's a dead body in the plant shit. It looks so funny. Oh shit. Ah!
I'm like scared.
He can still see me! Ow! He's chasing me! Go chase Oscar, not me!
No, God damn it.
Oh, he is?
No.
No, he's not! You fuck! Ah!
You'll never find me. Shit. Okay, there. Is this being a cheap ass mofo?
Where you at, Oscar? Where you at?
Somewhere.
Uh-huh.
Somewhere of deep concentration. Oh, wait, are you with me? No!
Oh,
That's
no!
him! Oh,
Where does he come from? He just
he
comes out of
found
nowhere.
me! Oh, he found me! Wow. Yeah, I'm like, who the hell is running with me? Oh, I bumped into him. I don't think you can find me with it.
You're at the same spot.
No, I'm not. I moved.
I can see you!
Your friend is in the same spot.
He is?
Yes. Shit, I fell down.
Oh.
Oh wait, what? I
You
just
did?
gave myself away. What? Nothing. Fight me. Come on.
Fuck! I can't get it.
Fucker.
Fuck. Oscar, why you being a pussy?
That's not me. Oh, what the hell?
No, you're not it though. You're not it. I just knifed you for no reason.
Wait, is your friend gonna get confused?
No.
Where is he? Is that him? No, this is you.
Are you sure about that?
You know I have Biospike too, you know that?
What? What is he using? What the fuck is he using?
Oh, that's a care package.
Oh, it's a care package. Oh!
Right?
Ah!
that's me, you imbecile.
Don't throw it, you son of a... You can kill yourself.
Oh wait, where's your friend? No, like for real.
I don't know. Oh, he's
I'm pretty sure
nearby though.
I'm pretty sure he's like confused as hell. Like, what the fuck is going on? Oh shit.
I down it.
Oh, run!
What?
Run! Wait.
No. Oh yes, run! Wait.
He's not chasing us. I told you he would get confused.
Wait. Is he confused?
Yeah, cause I'm like near him and he's not doing anything.
Oh, I just sent him a message for it.
Oh, bro. Why now out of all the times? I was so close to him too. Oh, oh my god! Run! Run! Oh my god.
I think he's following. Ah!
He's following me. You piece of shit. Excuse the language, guys. It's just intense Why is he using scorches?
Because he just wants to use his score streaks.
Oh, they're not resetting.
No, don't do that, David. Don't do that, David. Oh, don't be a dick, David. Oh my god. This is what I saw. This is what Oscar said. Oh, you son of a bitch. He used his ability.
Oh, he face shift? I'm out.
Yeah. You are? Are you?
Yes, I'm out of there. Run, boy, run. Are you still following me, to be honest? Oh, you can't get up here.
You just fell off, dumbass.
I jumped off.
I'm still on you.
I thought that was him. I don't know, I'm not gonna risk it. I was gonna climb you.
Come on, Oscar.
You should leave me alone. I thought I was gonna fool you. No, you son of a...
That's what you get.
Where's your friend? I want to go for him again.
He passed by me, but I just didn't want to go for him.
If he phase shifts, then I can find him too. Oh, there he is. He's basically running into me. Oh, you son of a bitch! He changed direction. Why is he still changing direction?
Cause.
The hell? Where is he?
Smart to do that.
Oh, did he phase shift? No, it's okay. Oh, there we go. No, god damn it. I accidentally suicide. I fell off. Oh well. Hey, now your friend's dead.
Is he?
Yes, he is.
Oh. No!
No, he's after he isn't here. Oh look, it's a train. Oh, what the fuck? That's what I get for messing around. I'm gonna go after him. Attempt to get some vengeance.
Are you?
Yes. Right behind him. No, come on. Ooh, ooh. Oh, son of a bitch. Where is he? Did he face shift?
Where is he?
You can't tell if he face shift. Oh, there he is. No, come back. Come back, boy. There he is. I'm like Spider-Man too, boy.
Are you following me?
No, I'm following his friend. No!
Do you even know where I'm
Oh,
at?
he's suicide. Pretty sure it was on accident too.
Do you know where I'm at?
No. You're camping?
No.
Oh. don't think your viewers will want that.
I'm not camping. I'm doing some extreme parkour.
Is this a corpse? Yeah, it's a corpse.
Are you still it?
Yes, I'm looking for your friend. Can't find him. Or one of you two. Cause time's almost up and I don't want to be it. Oh, there he is. Get over here, you son of a bitch. Oh, I thought he suicided.
UAV on
There we go.
standby.
I got him.
I'm just camping.
Why are you
I'm letting my
camping?
viewers. I'm
Oh
letting
my god!
viewers-
Tell him that I'm it. Oh my god. Tell him that I'm it real quick.
Right, viewers? I'm camping. You're just getting bored of seeing the same thing all over and over again.
Tell him that I'm it, yeah? Real quick.
He already knows.
Oh, okay. So he does know the rules. Right?
If he killed you,
No, I killed him. I killed him.
oh. Well, we'll see.
I don't know.
So
I'm not sure.
I could, but my camping spot's a
Okay, yeah,
little
he
bit-
got me.
Oh,
There. I feel like I owe
Person
him
knows.
that.
it's kinda
Okay.
big.
You're not circling. Where are you?
Alright.
Where you is? Oh, I know.
Okay, we're
Yeah.
retasking the UAV.
You found me, son of a bitch.
Hey yourself.
Hey.
You should come back. Cause we only have a minute left.
No, no, I'm shaking. I'm shaking.
Get back here. Oh,
What?
come on.
Oh, shit.
I need one
I'll
of you
do-
two.
Just then kill, get one then.
No, where are you? Oh, there you are.
I'm everywhere. I'm everywhere, but nowhere to be seen.
Oh, come on. I can't lose you. Not now. Oh, you know what? Okay, I'm going for your friend.
Did you actually lose me?
Why did he suicide? Oh, that son of a bitch.
Did you actually lose me? I was right in front of you for a bit.
No, you liar.
No,
No,
I'm
no, no,
not
no,
kidding.
no, 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 no. I only have so little time. Oh, found him. He's wall
Kill
running.
him. Kill him,
can't-
kill him, kill him, kill him. Kill him, kill him, kill him.
Oh, this son why does he keep suiciding? That's not. No!
He's gonna be wall running. He's gonna be wall running. Go get him, go get him.
Oh, fuck. Oh
Yes.
my god.
Yes. That was a really intense map. I was just circling around for the whole time you were chasing him.
You're nice. Cause I
Me?
lost. Alright, let's change the map, boy.
To a map.
Doesn't matter, just random. And I'm it. Alright, I might as well create the class. This one. Whoa.
Pep, pep,
That
pep,
sucks.
pep. I have to go take a shit. Who's it? You're it.
No,
I'll be
goddamn.
right back, guys.
Wait. I'm not sure. Oh, this map. Okay. Anyhow. Okay. Oh, I didn't load it. Oh no, I did. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Yay. I'm happy. Okay. This. Okay, sweet. So guys,
Any motion is a potential
this
target.
video will be going up, like for sure. I'll do whatever it takes possible to upload this video on my channel. Hopefully it doesn't go corrupt like my previous video that I tried to upload. This Project Monkey here, but kind of failed. So
Who the fuck is that? 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 Did
I'm
you
in.
change to a robot?
no, he did.
Oh, okay. Cause I got damaged once I got close to the robot.
Oh.
halfway there. Continue advancing.
Okay. So yeah, I was just telling the viewers that this video is going up for sure. Like.
Yeah, I heard. I had my headset on.
Oh, okay. Wait, you had your headset while you were shitting. That's
Yeah,
good.
but I just
Whatever.
didn't turn it on.
Oh, so yeah, where you at?
Oh, no, get away from me, get away from me.
I gotta see this. Where are
You
you?
didn't see me?
Oh, don't tell me you're right behind me. Okay, good.
No, I wasn't.
Where are you guys at, boy?
Oh, you son of a bitch! You fucking
Fucker.
asshole.
Never mind, I don't want to know where you're at. Oh, hell no, son. Leave me
You
the
gotta
fuck
know where
alone.
I'm at.
No!
Oh, just kidding, sorry guys.
Fine. I'll fudge you right in your
Am I what?
pussy. I don't know.
Am I what?
Nothing. You have a man on you,
Oh, no, yeah, that's my turn. You guys are like right next to each other for sure.
right? I know.
Watch him behind you.
I'm chasing him.
Oh, you are?
Yeah. But he doesn't know that. Oh shit. I think I got this guy. Yeah, I did. Ha, fucker. Got him. Got him. Oh, hey guys, Kermit the Frog here, and today I'll be playing some Call of Duty. I'm just kidding. What?
Kermit committed suicide.
Oh. Oh my god. You're an idiot!
Oh shit.
Oh god.
I thought you said you're an idiot because you were like right next to me. I was kind of right. You guys like my knife camo? It's pretty cool.
No, people prefer my old camera. It's a lot more
I wish it could be
sexy.
like in Black Ops 3, we could like flip the knife and shit. That was pretty cool.
Oh,
No, you're
is that
not.
you?
No, you're not.
Oh, yeah, that's you.
No.
No, I have
It's
fist.
not.
I have fist.
No, F you. I know you're it.
I'm not it.
You're not it?
No.
You're not?
I have fist, and that's our rule. Remember? Oh, you better not punch me.
Alright, you watch that side, I'll watch this side.
Alright. I'm tempted to pull out a gun. No, I'm just kidding.
Wait, let me see how you look. Look that way. When you come here, you can't see you. So, that's good.
I should be golden. Pull out your knife.
should be
Let's see who has the better camo. Yours is shit.
No! You're it, huh? You're it, huh?
Oh no! Oh, I thought you saw him. I thought that's why you were like, oh no. Wait, put fist.
Oh, yeah, you just passed by us. He just passed by us. I have a better knife, but I don't know what it is now. He just passed by us to that one part. That's worse.
What's it? Oh,
Yeah. Are you scared?
yes, I am much scared.
I already pissed in my pajamas. Oh yeah, Oscar. Tell me he's coming. Wait.
I'm too busy spinning.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Oh, alright, hold on. No, I'm out of there.
Ah! Fuck you, fucking son of a bitch! You didn't tell me he was right next to me.
Didn't you hear
No.
I'm out of there?
Yeah, but you told me too late. I was like, what?
Oh god, you figured it out too late. I'm sorry. I thought you would get the memo, but you didn't.
No, and then I got out of my screen late, so.
Oh wow. Isn't that a shame? Lol. Where are you at?
Everywhere but nowhere to be seen. You get me?
No, you're not God. Lol. Get it? Cause
Who said I was God?
whatever.
I can't find you guys. Where you guys at?
I'm just
Why
running
the
around the
fuck
map.
you camping? Why the fuck you camping? Oh my god.
Why do I
Stop
feel like you're
fucking-
chasing me?
Because maybe I am.
Oh
bitch.
my god! Wait, I can't tell who this is.
If it's a robot, oh, you son of a bitch! I was
You
about
son
to
of a
knife
bitch!
him. I was about to knife him and then he just fucking. Oh, you son of a bitch!
Hell no, I ain't dying today! Oh god. I didn't get far, did I?
No, you didn't.
Leave me
Come
alone.
here.
Leave me alone.
Fuck.
Come on.
I lost you already.
No,
Fuck.
you didn't, fucking.
No, for real, I'm not dead. I'm right in the middle of a hallway right now. Oh, I see you!
Fuck that shit. I'm out of it. Oh god.
Oh, fuck. Never mind, I forgot you. I'm chasing you.
No, you son of a bitch! Leave me the fuck alone. No! Oh god.
Yes! Yes, that was fine. That was fine. You
Dude,
throw
my,
that smoke bomb.
my face
You
is
thought that's
red.
me.
Or I'm not sure. I feel hot. Oh my god. Hey,
That
look,
was
it's
fun.
your friend.
Oh, go get him.
Oh, he duped me. What the? Did he punch me?
I
What
see
the
you.
hell? Where is he?
You didn't see me?
Oh, there he is. Oh, that son of a
Uh-huh.
bitch.
Yes, that's what happened.
Oh,
I was
there he
about
is.
to knife him. He
I
was
found
like
him.
right in front of me. I tried knifing him and then he just space shift or something.
No, that's not phase shift. That's only for FTL.
Oh, then I don't know what the fuck that
It's an ability for this. Oh my god. This guy's good, honestly.
is. He is.
He's amazing, honestly. Make up your mind, boy.
Are you gonna go kill him?
Why did
Sorry
I break
guys if this
it?
video is long. Hopefully
Ah,
you
there
guys
we
can
go.
sit through.
Sweet. Oh
Oscar.
god. What's up?
Oh, I need to run now because he knows where I'm at. Fuck.
Loser.
Oh shit. Who should I saw him?
You found it?
Or
Wait, where are
going
you
back.
at? Oh, oh,
I'm going
oh,
back.
oh, oh, no, 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 no. I used it. I had to. Hopefully he's not chasing me. No, he's not. I lost
Oh.
him. Oh wait, I think I know where you're at.
Where am I?
Never mind. You're not where I thought you were.
Go to the hallway. That big hallway. Well, it's not that big, but it's kind of.
Yeah, the hallway.
I hear someone. Oh shit.
I might make this a 2-part video because it's pretty long. Or
I'm making a 2-part video. I'm gonna put the infected one, and then I'm gonna smush this one in. But
think
I'm
that'll
gonna
be
cut
too
some of the
long.
infected part.
Oh,
Well,
oh,
I'm gonna cut
oh,
some of
oh,
the
fuck,
infected
fuck,
part.
fuck, 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 fuck. Did we lose it? I think I lost him. Yeah, I lost him. Sweet. Yeah, I lost him. Oh, that's sweet. It actually worked.
I
Ninja
hear
style,
someone.
boy. Oh, wait, I think I know where you're
Oh
at.
shit. Oh
wait.
shit. Oh shit.
Oh, wait, this
oh,
is
shit.
your,
I
this
hear
is your
some-
corpse.
I hear someone.
No, it's probably him. I'll just beat this meat, get it? Whatever. I mean,
Come to the middle hallway.
just hope I don't get caught.
Mm.
Ninja defeated. Oh, there you are.
Oh, shit. No, no. What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? He's coming. He just passed by. He just passed by.
I feel like I should leave.
Leave. Or go to the other one. Go to the other one. Or go back at me.
I'm gonna get his attention. I'm just kidding.
He starts shooting.
With what gun?
Oscar, look at the ceiling. There's a biospike. Never mind, I
Where?
left.
Oh, never mind. I was
No.
gonna go get it. Oh!
Oh. Oh,
Who threw
oh,
that?
I thought that was him.
Oh, me too, I was about to start running. Oh! Oh, I'm out.
Ah!
Goodbye. Oh, he's chasing you.
No. I know he is.
Oh, oh,
It's an
oh,
old
oh
bastard.
shit. Yay, I used it.
He's not chasing you no more, I think.
I don't know.
Never mind. Fuck me.
Loser. I feel like following him.
You feel like following him?
Yes.
You shouldn't follow him.
What the? He thought I was
heard it.
there.
I heard that. I heard that. I heard
Run,
that.
run, boy, run. Wait, who are you after, me or him?
I don't know.
I can't tell.
I'm after him right now.
I don't know.
Oh, what the
Oh,
fuck?
you son of a
I
bitch.
could have punched him. Oh, he just spawned right in front of me. I didn't see him for shit. Hi, David. Don't, no.
I know where you guys at.
I got a better ability. He's still over there.
Oh, there you are. I have like the skills of a ninja.
Oh, fuck you.
Oh, look at the replay. Look at the replay.
No. I'm just
Aw.
gonna go get you guys.
I should have looked
Well,
at it.
one of you
That was
guys.
awesome.
Someone's down here. Come here. Someone's up here.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Leave me alone, leave me alone. Oh my god!
Yes, I got you.
Oh god, I gotta see that.
I got you. The first
You know
one I
that doesn't-
missed, like a...
I was gonna
Yes,
say
it
that
counts,
doesn't
fuck
count,
off.
but I'll make it count. Just
Yes.
for you.
UAV ready.
Yes.
Oscar, I think I'm stuck.
Where? Oh,
I was at the, you know, where the theaters
Where are you at? Oh, you're at the theater.
I was at the theater.
I'm going over there.
Are you still over there? Are you going over there?
Oh, I have a friend.
Are you there? I don't see him. Go to the theater. Go to the theater.
No, dude, he's following me. He's following me. Oh god. No, no, stop following me, bad Gunter. Oh god.
What? I wanna have a pet pig. I wanna have a pet pig now.
And
No,
call
I'll
it-
run him. There's only 30 seconds. There's only 30 seconds.
Oh my god. Oh, I know how I'm gonna
Yes,
do this.
I have my ability just in case.
I'm like about to use it, dude.
Use it, use it, use it.
What do you think I did?
Use it.
I can't tell if he's still following me though.
Whoa!
No, he's not. Yes. Imagine if he just kills me right now. No, 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 no. Oh god. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. He killed me like, you know, like as the round ends. He killed me with that. Oh, that was great. Ah, how long have we been recording? I'm not keeping
I
track.
don't know.
Can you check real quick?
Good.
Cause each round is like what, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, then I've been recording. Should we end it here or just one more round?
Yeah, guys. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll try to upload this video soon. Peace out.
Peace out, guys.